Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana Class. I have a friend of mine, Thuso. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Dumelang Batswana, Dumelang everybody out there. My
Hey.
name is Pena Kasitsawile. Re tsile go le thusa go ranola dipina. We are here to translate those songs for you. Thank you. Let's go.
Yes, I'm gonna start sharing my screen here. Today, we are checking out the song, Yakamotla. The song is called Mamotse. Every time I try to translate the songs, I always find myself stuck. So today I brought another Motswana to help me. Hopefully we are not lost together.
Yeah, well, let's see how it goes.
So what is Mamotse?
Mamotse is a wife.
Yes.
Yes, is a wife. Mamotse is a wife. Remember when we were growing, we had a thing called Mantwani. Mantwani kana those were
It's like playing house.
yeah, playing house. So
Yes.
that was one of those things that we did as we grew up. And that is why this song says Mamotse.
Yeah.
That's where it comes from.
Yes.
Exactly. So yeah, the inspiration comes from that.
Okay, let's hit the play button. So he said something there. Like I said, some of these words I know what they mean and I can direct translate them, but I feel like it's better you get deep into the meaning of what he is saying. I don't know
Yeah.
where is that coming from?
Yeah, because there's more of Renale, we have what you call Diani, which is Proverbs, right?
Yes.
And the Tamalakani per se.
Yeah.
Those are same thing, Proverbs and that.
Yeah.
So Kemalamalele, it's just a deep Setswana, but it's not a proverb.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just a metaphor.
Ah.
Yes, it's just a metaphor of saying I'm this tall and I'm alone, I'm just single. And
Yeah.
obviously, when you are single, you sleep alone, and you how you sleep, you bend your knees
You're
because you
just
are alone
tuning
in the bed.
yourself.
It's cold. It's cold, man. It's cold.
Yes.
So you have to warm yourself up. So that's where it comes from. So that's basically a metaphor of saying I'm single and I
Yes.
need you in my life so we can warm each other up.
Yeah.
Mm.
Let me take it back. There's something he said. Oh yeah, he's basically talking to his girlfriend, like, you know what, I want us to get married pretty much, or to be together, right? So we can build a home so they can see. Is it also a metaphor? Is it also like from
Yes,
this?
it is. It's basically this song is full of metaphors in a way. Akira Kohana, he's talking about matsetse. Matsetse, those are bedbugs, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah, he's mentioning gore ke ntshitse matsetse mo pelong ke batla re itunne akere. That's what he says. So like that is to say I have I'm ready.
Yes.
I've shared a lot of things. So I'm ready to settle down. I'm ready to settle down with you. That's what he's basically saying.
Yeah.
So that we can build a family, the people that can admire, people can see what we are building. You understand? Yes. That is basically Honemo.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is a deep Setswana song. It also has Setswana elements to it, like the clapping, and it's just a beautiful song by Mota. Mamotso bona mantwaneng, which means like a wife is you can eh? Translate it. You can see that somebody's going to be a good wife by how they play house. Is that correct way of putting it?
Yes. You know, when you are playing house,
Yeah.
it's how this other person who has been given a role of being a mother or a wife
Yeah.
does take responsibilities and does her roles as a wife in playing house. So
Yeah.
that's basically it. That's one you see. This one when
This
she
one
grows
will
up,
do it.
yeah, when she grows up, she will become a great wife. You understand?
Yeah.
So that is basically Mamotse Obona Mantani, Mamotse Obona Mantin. That's basically what the song is saying.
Mm.
Yes, you can get it from there.
All right. It's so funny. Okay. We also have a podcast. If for those of you who want to check it out, we just talked about like weddings. And I feel like here is going to talk about weddings. And anyway, let me just let it play here so I can make this comment. Yeah, so he's basically talking about the wedding day, like extravagant. He's going all out on that day. Spend no what do you call
Not
it?
holding anything back.
He's not holding anything back, no expenditure withheld. So but maybe there's also something he said here. Let me see. There's it seems like you know a lot of there's he's saying I feel like this is from a play or something. I remember this from Bantana de Kofa. Let me play it again because now I'm yeah. So what is he saying there?
Yeah, well, I don't know, but I think what he said there is that are botsweni banse kamarago.
Yeah.
Buhle, that is Buhle. I think Buhle is the girl, right?
Yeah.
Just watch ushebe mdlalo. That's not Tswana anyway.
Yeah, that's Zulu.
That's not Tswana. I think yes, that is one of those things. Abasa nabare. Lebelela, it's more of saying watch and see how they take ticks out of each other. You understand? Yeah, that is basically to say. I think, like I said, mostly it's metaphors and proverbs that plays in Setswana in that sense, because he's playing with words. He's a creative guy in that sense, and when you listen to his music, you love it in that sense. When you understand it, yes, he's talking about a couple of baboons.
Yes.
You know, understand when they're sitting there together, picking ticks from each other's skin in that song. So that's what normally us couples do. You understand?
Yes.
When we're sitting there criticizing each other, building each other, that's basically what's saying. Yes, yeah.
So full of metaphors on the song.
True.
Yeah. I think that's like Kilibile German, all those like wedding attires for those of you who don't understand German, like a German cut. Am I right? Because maybe I'm wrong, but he's saying Kilibile German because in a Setswana wedding, there's a white wedding, which is like more Western, and then later on, there's like a traditional wedding where people wear like a German print or leteisi, depending on who you ask. So am I right with that translation?
Yes, that's what he's mentioning because obviously he's talking about an attire. Obviously, he wants to marry and he wants his bride to be the most beautiful thing on that particular day. So
Yes.
he's mentioning all those attires that I'm looking at this beautiful dress, which is a traditional dress, and also he's mentioning that he doesn't care about the money. He just
Yes.
going to pour everything on his woman
Yeah.
for her to look good on that particular day. So yeah, he's
Yeah.
mentioning the white dress as well, as you know, because the
Lit-
significance of a white wedding,
Yes.
it's after the dress itself, yeah,
Yes.
of the bride.
Because the white dress, maybe for those of you, he didn't say Moseso Muso, he said Lisire,
Mm,
which is the wedding attire, or the white dress that ladies wear. It's called Lisire in Setswana. So I know a lot of people from Botswana are watching this to say, yeah, your translation is off. But yes, we just want to make sure that if you are watching this and you are learning Setswana, Lisire is basically that white dress that the woman will be wearing, especially in the Western world, or Western culture.
true. Yeah.
I don't think there are any other words that he says on the song. I feel like we have done everything. Yeah. So yeah, basically we can stop the song there. If you want to watch the full song, please go check out Motla. You can see his name up there. The name of the song is Mamo. It's a beautiful song, beautiful video when it came out. This song is like classic, man, because it came out, was it 9, 10 years ago, something like that? And it still looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, it's a one of those songs that when you listen to as a Tswana person or as a Motswana, you would appreciate it.
Yes.
The way it was created, the creativity behind it, the innovation behind the guy, he's good. He's
So
well.
beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
He did
So
well.
ke a leboga ra leboga go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang salang sentle. Stan, you want to say goodbye?
Yeah, in Setswana we say sala sentle, ka Sekgowa I say goodbye. See you next time. All right.
All right. Okay, let me stop the recording here if I can. I don't know why I keep giving me the runaround. There we go.